Hi Nuno, it's Mrs. Fisher. Listen, you got a great start here. So let's take a look at your code. So here is our address class, and that looks good. And then you have defined a few variables. One is the int for the house number, string for street, string for apartment number, string for city, string for state, and int for postal code. Okay, we have two constructors. One constructor contains an apartment number and the other one does not. Now in the constructor you'll see I've made a change. You had the data types here in front of the variable names, but you don't need that because they're defined up here. And what we're trying to do is we're trying to put data into the instance data. So all this is the instance data. So down here I want to say set the instance data house number equal to the variable that we have here in our constructor. Okay, so this one has all the data. Down here, very similarly, I know I couldn't say that right, you can see I have a note here telling you I removed the data types, and the only thing you need to do here is, since there is no apartment number, just set the apartment number equal to a null string, which is just double quote, double quote. Okay, I didn't do that for you, so you'll need to do this line right here. Okay, once you do that, that should fix most of the problems. The only other thing was we had this backwards. You had postal code dot other, but other is the name of the address object, so it has to be other dot postal code, because postal code is a piece of instance data from the class. That, and sit down here at the bottom in our main. Okay, here's our main. The only thing I did was I went ahead and put double quotes around the apartment number that we have here for these two things. So that allowed it to create both of those because the apartment numbers were strings. Alright kiddo, I think if you just make some of the changes that I made or copy and paste, but also add the apartment number and set it to null, I think you'll be good. So it looked real good. You were so close, and I hope this helps. Alright, Nuno, I'll see you next week, but let me know if you have any questions or if you need any more help. Talk to you later.